Like music, computer programming has been called an art. Steve Jobs thought that everyone should learn because it teaches you how to think. But maybe you've talked with learners who are interested in programming but haven't actually started yet. To help people take that first step, this series will give short, 2-minute introductions to lots of languages. Starting with the AI language Prolog and Lisp, the AI language with lots of brackets. The most popular language at the moment may be Python, and we'll also look at 21st century languages like Go. Each time we'll use just a web interface, nothing to install. In 1 hour you could try a dozen languages and a dozen ways of thinking.